ADS manufactures a variety of products designed for off-road vehicles, but we built a reputation around our racing shock absorbers. They're built right in the heart of the desert Southwest in Tucson, Arizona. And you'll find ADS race shocks on just about every type of off-road vehicle out there, from weekend wheelers and sand cars to pre-runners and full-blown Baja racers. ADS offers universal coilovers and air shocks to outfit your lightweight race vehicle or trail rig, all the way up to our massive 5¼ inch diameter 7-tube external bypass shocks that you'll find on trophy trucks and serious Baja rigs. We can even custom build you a set of 3, 4, 5, or 7-tube bypass shocks in a wide array of shock body diameters and stroke lengths. All of our shocks are fully rebuildable and are charged with high-pressure nitrogen to manage cavitation, which can diminish your shock's performance due to fade. Each and every ADS shock is vacuum bled and features high-performance synthetic oil to help eliminate these issues. Compression and rebound adjusters let you dial in the shock's performance based on your driving conditions. Preload adjusters allow you to dial in the vehicle's handling and ride height. As your build progresses, these adjustments allow you to add spring preload to compensate for things like engine upgrades and the added weight of a bumper-mounted winch. ADS also carries a selection of hydraulic bump stops to help protect your hard investment from unexpected bottom outs that can occur. Our fluid-style bump stops can absorb suspension energy better than rubber stops can. They not only protect the suspension components from hard impacts, they play a critical role in in-stroke dampening of the shocks. At Arizona Desert Shocks, we spend thousands of hours in the field testing and in our shop developing in order to deliver you products with uncompromised performance. If off-roading is your passion and you want only the best for your off-road rig, trust ADS. And remember, we come to work every day because our satisfaction comes from yours. To learn more about ADS shocks and to see our full lineup of off-road accessories, visit our website at adsshocks.com.